To set up a custom keyboard layout on a Realme Note 60, first let's open our settings. Then we can scroll down and keep looking for a system. Then navigate to keyboard and input method, go for on-screen keyboard and select a Gboard. Now we can navigate to the theme and select it. Now you'll be able to click on this plus button, which allows you to create a custom theme for your keyboard. You can choose a picture as a background for your keyboard. Then scale it however you like. Click next, and then you can adjust the brightness of that picture. Click on done, and now our custom keyboard is applied. You can also enable or disable key borders. And now when we select apply, go back, open your keyboard anywhere, and here it is.